Alright guys, welcome to Cooking with CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you being here. You know I love you. And if you're new to the channel and you want to learn how to make some damn tasty food, hit that subscribe button and the bell right next to it, and you're going to learn a lot of good stuff here. We do some good home style cooking. Alright, so today we're doing something totally different. You need to stick around to the end, see what's up. We are doing a poutine challenge, and poutine is a dish originating from Canada. So 6 teams, YouTubers, cooking, YouTuber barbecue channels, challenged 6 American cooking barbecue channels to a fight to the poutine death. Alright, so this is my entry into the collaboration. I'll have all the channels down below, so you can check out their channels, their episodes of the poutine challenge. Alright, so poutine. Check out this scene real quick. Alright guys, here's the finished result of my cali pork chili verde poutine with the queso fresco and the pepper jack cheese. It's all melty and gooey in there. Alright, so we're back. You can see what it was, or what poutine is. Well, in America, it has become a hipster dish. Alright, now I don't know if you know what a hipster is, but this is why I'm wearing the stupid glasses and the beanie when it's 75 degrees outside. Whoops. Alright, so it is a hipster dish in Southern California, but I am a fan of it. So I'm going to make it calified, Southern calified, if you will. Alright, so poutine, obviously you saw, consists of French fries, cheese curds, a meat of some sort with a brown gravy. Alright, so I'm blowing it out the water. I'm going to do it the way I want to do it. Alright, so you saw the chili verde on the grill, or you're going to. I don't know how I'm going to cut this, but you'll see it eventually. That would make it chili verde on the grill with a smoker box. It's going to be real nice and tasty. So that's not part of the ingredients here. The ingredients will also be below, so just roll with it. Alright guys, we got our chili verde working. It's about hour 2, hour 3. The smoker boxes are about spent. Not real smoke coming off there anymore, but it's got about 2 or 3 hours with the smoker in it, with the smoke going into the chili verde. But it's looking pretty good. I'm going to give it another hour or so. We'll pull it out and plate the dish. I'm going to hand cut these French fries. Alright, so I got some nice big russet potatoes. I'm going to hand cut them, fry them in oil on the stove. I thought about doing it on the grill too, but I have a feeling that would cause a major fire, so I'm going to stay away from doing that. Alright, so for my cheese curds, I don't know where the hell you get cheese curds in Southern California, and I'm not going to look for it. I don't give a darn. Alright, I'm using Queso Fresco, which I crumble up, make it like cheese curds. And I'm using a little pepper jack because I love the flavor, and I'm gonna keep it up and put it on the top. All right, we're gonna make it look nice and fancy for y'all in this little cast iron skillet. We'll stack up the fries, put the cheese over it, dump on the pork chili verde, and we'll call it good. We'll come on back and you see how we finish it up. All right, don't go nowhere. Come on back. What's up, team? You know it's been a long time since we did a grocery store run together, so got Big Bertha here. We're heading to the truck, or heading to the store in my truck, fill up the truck with food for this weekend's 2 cooks this weekend. Gonna do 2 videos, gonna have a good time with it. Come along with me, we'll see what we buy at the big store over there. Alright guys, we got some of the food for this weekend's build. Of course we got some of the essentials. Got the pork shoulder that we're gonna use. Got some potatoes for the fries. And of course we got some Oreos, because that's what the kids like. Right, come on. If that wasn't the quickest shopping trip ever. I was gonna show you doing stuff. I don't know if this is even like fun or not, but I'm trying to break up the monotony of just shooting, cooking, eating, whatever. So you get to see me in the truck to get to the grocery store. You saw the food in the grocery store that I got, but some of it's not just for the video. Some of it was the Oreos, because you know I like my Oreos at night. And then you get me see me in this truck, or in the set right now. So we're changing it up. We're having some fun with it. All right, cool. Come on back, and I'll show you what we're doing. The next thing we're doing when what we're doing is happening. Got it? All right, come on back. All right, guys, we're back. We're gonna make our hand-cut French fries for our Cali poutine. So I just straight up actually hand-cut these. I didn't use a machine. I didn't do anything like that. I just used my knife, which you can find in my Amazon link down below. So this oil is about 350. So we're gonna let these in here real gently, and we're gonna let those fry up. We're gonna do a few at a time, and then we'll put them in our handy dandy bowl here. Actually, I'm gonna put them on some paper towel, drain off the grease, then put them in the bowl. Salt right after you get out the fryer, out of the oil, out of the fryer. This isn't exactly a fryer per se, but you get the idea. Salt right away. All right. Come on back when these are all done. We'll do the dang thing. All right. All right, guys. We're done with these fries. They're coming right out of the oil, the grease. Look how golden brown and delicious this is. I'm just throwing them right in here. We're gonna salt them right away. Oh man, these look good. These are hand cut, buddy. I put my effort in it, blood, sweat, and tears. Nah, none of that went into this really. It was easy. Just use my knife. Yeah. Wish I could say it was more than that, but it really wasn't. So what we're gonna do? It's right out of the fire, right out of the grease and out of the fire. We're gonna season them up right away. Let that salt stick to it. Maybe one little more pin. I like a lot of salt. Sorry, don't sue me. Oh yeah. All right. We're gonna add these to the little poutine dish thing I bought, a little cast iron skillet thing. Put the cheese over it and the salsa verde over it, and call it a day. Come on back for the taste test. All right, guys, we're back with the finished product, the poutine. We got the pork chili verde on top. Got the Queso Fresco. Got the pepper jack cheese. The crispy golden fries. I don't know, it's not the Canadian style, but damn, this looks good. All you Canadian people that we're going against, you're going down like a sweet muffin. Stuff's good. I'm gonna try it. I got a little bit of the pork, a little bit of these crispy golden fries, a little bit of cheese. Going down, Canada. This is the real deal. Cali, pork chili verde, poutine. Know it, love it, own it. All you people from America that are with me, Merica. Hope you enjoyed my hipster take on a Canadian classic. Everybody in the competition, it was great having fun, great time discussing this with you, having fun with you guys. Everybody is in below, all right? I'm linking everything. Everybody, every YouTube group, even from Canada, I'm gonna link them down below. Give them a check it out. Give them a view. Give them a sub. Give them a sub. All right, guys. No cigar and whiskey right now. Gonna finish this bad boy up. I appreciate you coming by. Give this a shot. It's good stuff. All you people in Canada, I hope you can warm up a little bit. I hear it's really cold. All right. Appreciate you coming by today. Thank you for cooking with CJ. Take care.